Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as you know from the title that today we are going to talk about how to style your silver jewelry or bohemian jewelry or jewelry in general. So why I came up with this idea, because I've observed that a lot of people like me, especially girls, look up at the bloggers and the way they style, the way they wear their own jewelry. It looks so fascinating to us because, you know, yeah, they've been either shooting or shooting for pictures, brands, promotion, going to events, and we also get influenced by them and end up buying a lot of jewelry which we never style. I have a friend who told me that she has all these silver jewelries but she never wore them because she felt that it'll never look good on her, which is like very absurd to me. Like, ऐसा नहीं है कि if you are not a blogger or if you are not a influencer, you cannot style these things. Obviously you can, and today in this video we are just going to talk about how to style your silver jewelry for casual day-to-day outfits or how to accessorize in a minimal way. Yeah, that's what we are going to do. If you want to know more, keep watching the video. You can never go wrong with silver and white and black and gold. Like, these are like I think these are my rules. I'm not saying these are universal rules, but I think black look amazing with golden jewelry and white clothes look really good with silver jewelry. I have seen people styling golden jewelry with white outfits, but those jewelries are very dainty or very grunge jewelry. For like daily outfits, you can, if you are wearing a kurti or you are wearing a normal top, like, so you can style your chand balis or normal silver jhumkis with that outfit. So the first point would be always go with silver and white and black and gold. You can mix match according to your taste, but if you are ever confused what to wear with what, go by these rules. So I have also made few mistakes while accessorizing and in the long process of learning what goes with what. So this is just how I like to style my things. I'm not saying these are the universal facts you should follow, but yeah, these are just my tips for my girls out there. Most of the time what we have is very solid plain kurti or solid top which we generally don't know what to style with. So your long layered necklaces or your long statement neck pieces, you can style with those. You can style with print as well, but if you wear your silver long necklaces with something solid, so वो बहुत निखर के आता है and it looks really chic, I think. Tip number 3 is very easy. If you have kurtis or maxi dresses which has like deep necks, so to not get the extra attention, you can wear chokers or you can style with layered necklaces, like layered necklaces or choker with your maxi dresses or kurtis which has a long neck or a deep neck. Never ever think that your boho jewelry or your silver jewelry is just for desi purposes. You can try to create an Indo-western outfit just by your jewelry. Like, you're wearing a jeans top, just add jhumkis to it, or you can wear your choker or silver bangles or anything, but do not go overboard with it. Yeah, that would be my tip. Keep it minimal. If you are wearing a choker, skip on the like earrings, or if you are wearing earrings, heavy earrings, statement earrings, then skip on the rest of the jewelry because that's like on your face. Like bangles and rings you can carry, but do not go overboard in this area. Yeah. Tip number 5 is that layer your jewelry. Now I have seen that boho girl and like many other YouTubers and Instagrammers, they have really unique pieces of jewelry which is really expensive. For those people who go office or for those people who generally don't have any events to attend, I don't think so they would like to spend this much money on like silver neck pieces. So what you can do is that layer your necklaces what you have already. I'm not saying ki kuch bhi lad lo, but try to layer 2 or 3 pieces and you will see that it really looks nice when you put effort into accessorizing your jewelry with your outfit. The tip number 5 or 6, I don't know, I'm so bad with numbers, is that लेस इज़ मोर गाइज. डू नॉट थिंक कि हमारे पास ये वाला पीस नहीं है या हमारे पास ये वाले झुमके नहीं हैं, सो वी कैन नॉट स्टाइल इट और वी कैन नॉट wear things like we want. You can definitely create a bomb look with whatever you have. I'm not saying कि कुछ खरीदो मत, please go ahead, buy whatever you want, but like last minute पे जो एक वो confusion होता है ना कि we don't have this, we don't have that, do not fall for that. I'm telling you, less is more, and I'm also trying to implement that. पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि like you should wear a necklace as well, earrings as well, rings भी होनी चाहिए, and stuff like that, but now I have minimized it. If your outfit is already very loud or your outfit is already very heavy, go minimal with your jewelry, and if your outfit is very simple, then go overboard with the jewelry. Do whatever you want, style it however you want, just do not hold yourself back and give it a shot. Another tip I would like to give is that you can totally create a western outfit into an Indo-western outfit just by adding your silver bohemian jewelry. And you can use nathni, you can use earrings, you can use layered necklaces, anything you want, but you can totally rock the outfit. And mostly आजकल तो I have seen that नवरात्रि के टाइम पे people wearing धोती and crop top and these silver jewelries, and they look super cool, and ऐसा भी नहीं लगता है कि like क्या ही पहन लिया है. It really look cool guys, just trust me, try it once. Another tip I want to give you guys is prints के टाइम पे ना we get confused कि print के साथ क्या जाएगा, so always go by like झुमकीज़. ठीक है, अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना, wear your Afghan balis or your झुमकीज़ and you are sorted. It's okay if you do not wear a lot of things together. It's really cool. Print are already, मतलब prints, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि prints के साथ एक problem ये है कि वो already ही उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक there is a voice in the print, but adding a lot more statement jewelry makes it a little loud. And I would suggest everyone to invest into good jewelry. And now I'm not saying कि कुछ heavy expensive कुछ खरीद लो, नहीं. My point was कि आप लोग जैसे सिल्वर ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं या फिर हम लोग मोस्टली जब बाहर मार्केट में जाते हैं, वी यूजुअली गेट अफगान बालीज, चांद बालीज और झुमकीज़, ये सब हमें ईजिली मिल जाता है. डू ऑल्सो इन्वेस्ट इनटू यार good golden jewelry, because it's really important to have dainty jewelry for your western outfits. You can do Indo-western look, but how many times? Like, just to have a variety, always have good dainty neck pieces or jewelry or earrings. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope I make it very short, crisp and clear. These were like really 5 to 6 things which I have learned over the years, and I think I thought of sharing with you people. What happened to my voice? And I thought of sharing with you people. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find at least one tip helpful. I hope. For those who are watching my face for the first time, hi guys, my name is Mamta. I make videos every week. I'm trying. So yeah, do check out my other videos, and if you think I'm worth enough, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, join the tribe. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you next week. Bye.